Alright guys, so I'm here at Walmart and check this out. Looks like Mattel partnered with Mobile for a chance to win a Chevrolet Silverado. Pretty cool. Alright guys, so I'm going to take a quick look and see what we could find. It looks like all this stuff has been looked through already, so I'm not getting my hopes up. But then again, you never know guys. You never know. Okay, let's see here. Yep. So yeah guys, nothing here. I'm gonna look through this little dump-in real quick to see what we could find. Don't mind a Mustang. This one I already have a couple of. This one I have a couple of. This Ford Bronco is cool. This one's in good shape. So I'll take this one. This Bronco, guys, by the way, was a regular treasure hunt back in 2019, if I'm not mistaken. These are cool, but don't need them. So here's a cool 87 Dodge D100 with a Hot Wheels race team decal. It's pretty cool. Here's the Surfing School Bus, which I already have. Here's a Chevelle. Donut Drifter. Let's see. Here's a Chevelle color variation. This is blue. That one's in a nice little red color. So here's the Hollinator. This one is actually pretty cool. I already have a couple of them. So here's a 2006 Pontiac GTO. Pretty cool. Surfing School Bus. Alright, so it's not looking good guys. Yeah, this stuff has definitely been looked through. So I'm not really expecting to find anything. It's always good to look though, you never know. I still haven't found the regular treasure hunt. This one's pretty cool, but I already have a couple of them. Don't need any more. There's these four right there. I already have these. This Jaguar XE SN Project 8 is very cool. I already have a couple of them. So, stand. Here's the Mattel Dreamobile. Okay. Alright guys, so let's move on. Let me put this stuff back over here. Alright guys, so far I've got these three here. Let's put this one back. Okay. Nothing new on the 5-packs. Nothing new on the Matchbox. Here they have the Super Rigs, which I really don't care for. Here they have some of the pulp culture cars. Scooby-Doo, Shaggy, and Fred Flintstone back there. Okay, here they have a bunch of Mario Kart. They have some of these Team Transports, but of course, they took the two good ones, which are the LANCIA Rally 037 and the Nissan Skyline, and they left a bunch of these. I already have one of these. I don't need any more. Let's see what they have here. Still missing the Skyline out of this set, guys, so hopefully I get lucky today. So here they have the Koenigsegg Agera. Pretty cool. Let's see. Ha ha ha, nice. finally found it, guys. Nissan Skyline. So definitely taking this one. I have 2 of these already, so I'm gonna leave that one for somebody else. Let's move on over here. Looks like they stocked up on these Auto World ones. Definitely gonna take this one. This 2018 Dodge Challenger SRT Demon in gray. Wow. Definitely taking that one, guys. Here they have a Cadillac Eldorado. There's another one. Check this out, guys. Nice. 1982 Chevy Silverado fleet side. Very cool. Definitely taking one of those. And here they have a 2019 Chevy Camaro ZL1 1LE. Now I have the red version, but this one comes in a nice orange. It's very cool. Definitely gonna take that one. And what do we have back here? Ooh, nice. Check this out, guys. This is the 2020 Chevy Corvette in a nice gloss black. This one's very nice. Definitely taking this one. So let's shift some of these around. Here's another truck. Don't mind if I do. So here's another wagon. Pretty cool. And another Corvette. And another Demon over there. So down here, they have some Harley Davidson motorcycles. Let's see. They have the 1956 Ford F100 pickup. Not bad. They have the 2017 Ford F-150 Raptor. Pretty cool. Check out this 58 Chevy Apache stepside with the flames. Pretty cool. Oh, nice. Check this one out, guys. Check this out. 1999 Chevy Silverado dually. Very cool. I wonder if there are any chases on these series. If you guys know, please let me know. These trucks are pretty cool. So let's keep on looking. Oh, nice. Check out the 73 Ford Bronco. This one's pretty cool. This is very nice. I'm gonna pass for now, only because they're easy to find. 56 Ford F100 pickup. I have quite a few of these, to be honest with you. This one's really cool. I think I'm gonna take that one, guys. Let's put this one back. All right. This one looks pretty cool too. You know what, I'm gonna take this one as well. And over here they have some of the Boom City rocket launchers. Let's see what they have over here. This is Car. This is Kit's Nemesis, for those of you who don't know. Or his evil twin, if you will. Ooh, check this out, guys. Pretty cool. 1977 Pontiac FIREBIRD. This is from the Smokey and the Bandit series. This one's really nice. Alright, let's put them back. Alright, so let's put these back, guys. And here they have some tech deck. They have flywheels. Huh, interesting. They have some monster trucks and Monster Jam. Check out these monster trucks. This is the Tiger Shark. This is a 143 radio control car. I have this one here. They look kind of cheesy, to be honest with you. They look very, very low budget. So yeah, definitely not worth the $9.99, to be honest with you. At least I wouldn't pay it. This one's really cool. Hot Wheels monster truck. Very, very nice. I really love the Hot Wheels Race Team Tampos. Very, very cool. Check this one out, guys. The tamper work on some of these trucks is just phenomenal, man. I really like the graphics. Very, very cool. Let's see here. Check this one out, guys. Nice. We have some of these over here, the Adventure Force sets. So this is going to be my haul for today. So I'm taking this 2017 Ford F-150 Raptor. I'm taking the 1999 Silverado dually truck. Very, very cool. I'm taking this awesome 2019 Chevy Camaro in orange. I'm taking two of these trucks. I'm taking this 2020 Chevy Corvette. Look how clean this is, guys. Definitely taking this awesome 2018 Dodge Challenger SRT Denim. Very cool. And I'm taking this awesome Nissan Skyline. Very cool. Love the card art. Very, very cool. So this is my haul for today. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. You guys take care. God bless, and I'll catch you guys in the next video. Deuces.